Hey, lovely English learners. Welcome back to the Flutalk English podcast, your place to learn English and feel better about life. I'm so happy you're here today. And guess what? I'm not alone. Abraham is here with me. How are you doing?
Hey, Emily. I'm great. Feeling happy and ready to talk about something big today. How about you?
I'm good too. You know, yesterday I sat down and thought, why do some people change their lives so much and others stay the same?
Yeah, I've thought about that too. You see someone go from sad to successful and you think, what's the secret?
Right? It made me think of when I was learning English. At first, it felt so hard. I thought, I can't do this. But day by day, little by little, things started to get easier.
Me too. I thought I just needed to learn more words, but I learned that small actions and a good mindset make the real difference.
Exactly. That's why today we're talking about something special, how to change your life, not just for English, but for anything you want to improve.
But before we start, don't forget to download our free PDF. It has today's key ideas, questions to help you practice, and some simple grammar too.
Also, Charlotte will join later to explain some words from today's talk. So keep listening.
All right, let's begin.
So, why do people feel stuck? Why can't they change?
Maybe because of fear. Like, what if I try and fail?
Yes, but what if you try and do well? Fear stops us before we even start.
Another reason? No clear goal. People want a better life, but they don't know what to do next.
And many people think bad things about themselves, like, I'll never be good at this.
Yes, that kind of thinking makes change very hard.
And sometimes we just wait too long, waiting to feel ready or waiting for motivation.
Right, but motivation comes after you take action, not before.
Now let's talk about small steps.
Ah, yes, the 1% rule. If you get just 1% better every day, you'll be much better after a year.
Exactly. You don't need big change today. Just do one small thing.
Like reading a short article or listening to this podcast while you clean.
That's how real change starts. A little bit every day. But to really change, you need the right mindset.
Yes, if you believe I can grow, then you will. That's called a growth mindset.
And there's something in your brain called the RAS. It helps you see what you focus on.
So if you always think about bad things, you'll see more bad things. But if you focus on the good, your brain will notice more good things too.
That's why saying nice things to yourself is so powerful. Even just saying, I'm learning a little more every day.
And feeling thankful, even for small things, can help your brain feel more hopeful.
There's one more problem. People wait too long to start. They think they must be perfect first.
I felt that way with English. I was scared to speak because I didn't want to make mistakes.
But when you finally started,
I realized making mistakes helped me learn faster. No one gets better without trying.
yes, you don't have to be perfect. You just need to start. So, what's one small step you can take today? Start now.
One last idea. Your environment matters too.
Oh, for sure. The people you spend time with, the videos you watch, it all affects how you feel.
There's a saying, you become like the people around you.
So, if you're always around people who complain, you'll complain too. But if you're around people who grow, you'll grow with them.
Even joining a small English group helped me a lot. It gave me support and confidence.
So, ask yourself, are the people around you helping you grow? Okay, now it's time for Charlotte to help us with today's words. Hey everyone, let's look at some simple words and phrases from today's episode and how to use them in real life. Thanks, Charlotte. That was great. So, lovely learners, here's your big message today. Small actions, a strong mindset, and good people around you can change your life.
Don't forget your free PDF with this episode. The link is in the description.
And tell us in the comments, what small step will you take today? We'd love to hear it.
And if this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the Flutalk English podcast. See you next time. Keep going and keep growing.